Hey folks, running a little late today. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target, which is that, which is delightful. Okay. There's so many ways to do this. Again, this is what happens when there's so many ways to do something that it's hard to see exactly what the right way would be. Okay. I'm going to go nested template, which is the alteration of the body element to put all the stuff on, put yellow on the body element. This purple, yeah, I guess purple is right, on the HTML element. And then we use margins. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 2 on the top and bottom margin. 3, 2, 1, 12. Okay, so what does it look like if we do linear gradient, 90 degrees, that color, 10 pixels, and then transparent. I think we learned that it's 20 pixels. And then what if we do repeating linear gradient? Like that. Ooh, it almost works. So that's no good. And what that says is that it's regular until it's not regular. So the argument is that the way to do this then is with differently. But I still want to use that. Okay, so to me, this gives blank template. And that's that. Oh, whoops. And then border right, 100 pixels, solid yellow. And give it a 0/100%, 100 pixels. Repeat Y, repeat X, height of 200. So that's that shape. And then we do a second one, which is flopped or flipped. P plus P becomes scale -1. So we got 2 of them now. Is this a good way to do this? Maybe not. I'm not going to let that bother me. But you can kind of see that forming. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 10, 12. Okay, great. And the margins there are, to 12 is the right last number. 200, 0, 12. There we go. So this is the concept. Yeah, that's the concept. All right, so we're too tall. We need to be 1/6. Yeah, something like that. And this is more like 80. All right, we need to get this margin correct. Is it 2? There we go. 85, 75, 70. There it is. And we need to make the background a little taller. 10. No, shorter. 60. Oh, close. I don't think it's centered. I think that's what we're learning there. That discontinuity is really telling me a lot. Oh, isn't that interesting? Yeah, look at that. That makes for a very clever little puzzle. Okay, so this approach is probably all bad. I still kind of like the... what do I like of this? Well, let's do the second one. It's probably going to be minus 100, 12, 0, 202. Okay, and then go up a little more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So, oh, and then even better, this smells a little like an error, like a rendering error of the puzzle. Let's submit this and see if we get 100%. But the fact that these are identical in every other way, except for that little dude, is definitely a problem. So I would not be surprised if this is a puzzle that gets fixed later. Be that as it may. Let's do linear gradient. That's going to be red. And I know it doesn't have to be red, but I just want to be able to see what the heck I'm doing. Transparent red, comma. So there's the reds. And I want it to be over 20 pixels, starts at 0. Actually, it doesn't matter. It's going to be a width of like 20 pixels and a height and a no repeat. Or repeat, probably repeat Y. Okay. So move it over a little more. 3, 4. Okay. 40 pixels. 0, 80 pixels. 0. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this. So this is what I've got right now. And obviously not perfect. So this is going to be like 100 or 10. And let's turn this into the blue color. And then this into this color. So we adjust these numbers. 52, 49, 48, 47, 46, 51. Oh, wait. What? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. So that's really interesting. 50, 1, 2. What have I got going on here? So is that supposed to be yellow then? So this is taller. So let's nuke this. So if that's the case, then I want transparent. And then the yellow color, just remake this whole thing. And then the transparent color, I think. No, we'll do the purples. We'll do the purples just, and then see if we need those later. Okay. 50 pixels. 48. 45. 46, 47, 48, 49. There it is. 1, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And now we have the error on the other side, a different error on the other side. And so if we put this in a variable, in a CSS custom property, G of that value, var G, comma, and then this whole mess in there, close parentheses, and then set --g to be something. I guess we need to do something valid. Bar or and something we don't even care about. Oh, even better. Nah, linear gradient, transparent to transparent is fine. And let's see if we get 100% out of that. This smells like the kind of puzzle that they will retract, that the CSS Battle folks will retract later. But it also is, once you see the trick, like, that's one of the aspects of these videos that if you haven't done them, I am giving you the secrets. I don't really mean it that way. Like, don't, I don't think, it's not for everybody, my videos, and that's fine. But that's a final answer. That's a fun one. All right, and I think I'll stop there. As strange as that is, I may do a video from yesterday's puzzle. I may redo it. I may not, but maybe I will, because that was a fun one. All right, get out of here. Go make a webpage. Have a good day. Take care of yourselves.